Yo, Forex for Beginners by Saad Ali. Yo, I want to say thank you, especially to an instructor, Saad Ali. He's very unique in everything he's do. I was a trader. My trade journey, I've blown my account twice. But after coming across Saad Ali, I now I knew I didn't even know anything about chart analysis, and I want to thank Saad Ali. I'm currently watching this video right now. I'm in the last phase and I'll still start practicing and practicing. But I want to say thank you to Saad Ali. I've understand support and resistance, retracement, Fibonacci retracement, trend line, channels. I've understand it all, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, sir.
It's Sufyan from Morocco. I just want to say thanks to Saad Ali for this amazing course. It has been helpful, it really has. With all the tools he teaches, like fibs and all that stuff, candlesticks, and all that stuff, really helps reading the charts and understanding the price movement. Also, the private student group is really helpful. Every question you ask, you get an answer really quick. So thanks, Said Ali. I appreciate it, man.